Whoa. Hello.
Surprise!
Olaf, not yet.
Anna's right. Our surprise holiday party doesn't start until after the Yule bell rings.
Oh, sorry, the suspense is tearing me apart. Thank you.
I'm excited too, Olaf. This is Arendelle's first Christmas in forever.
The first of many to come.
Elsa, look! They're arriving! Look at everyone. They don't realize
What?
we planned a party as a big surprise.
Whoa.
Soon the ballroom will echo with sounds of cheer as we ring in the season this year.
This is overdue. Gotta look our best.
Ooh, I've never been so nicely dressed.
We'll be hosting and toasting the whole night through as we ring in the season with you.
It's the first Christmas in forever
Since we opened up the gate.
and it's the first